Hello, this is Kyle and Dave with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D21036, good working Clark TW40B. This is a 4,000 pound electric sit-down forklift. This is a 3-wheel, therefore very tight and compact. Will go down aisles. Normally you don't have much width in. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. That's approximately 170 inches. There's load backrest, low profile, 42-inch pallet forks. This is a 36-volt battery system with the charger included. New PM service, recent repairs, brand new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. Thank you very much for watching.